In this part of the project, you'll be using Google Tourbuilder to create a 10-stop tour of endangered species from around the world. These species do not have to be the species that are in your zoo. You will be picking 10 land animals that are endangered, which we will be talking about later on in the project. In this video, we are going to be getting our Tourbuilder set up. So we are going to be doing the first four directions that are listed on the wiki page. First off, we're going to click Tourbuilder, which is going to take us to Google Tourbuilder, which is kind of similar to Google Earth, but it allows us to create presentations. First thing we need to do is we need to sign in. So we're going to click the blue sign in button. And from here, it's going to automatically switch to our school email account, so we don't have to do any type of registering. To create a tour, we are going to go to this red button here in the middle that says create a tour. Once we click on that, it's going to ask you, what would you like to name your tour, and also your author's name. For the tour name, if I go back to the directions, I can just highlight in direction number 3 the tour name, endangered species. So I'm just going to highlight that and I'm going to paste it. Author name is going to be your first and last name. And then I'm going to click create tour. Okay. You'll notice now it's starting to look a little bit more like Google Earth. You'll see the map on the right-hand side of the screen. On the left, it kind of looks like Google Slides, where you'll have different slides for every single animal that you do. But in this video, we're only going to talk about this introduction slide, which is the first thing that you're going to see. So we put in the tour name, we put in the author's name. Next, we're going to select a picture that is going to represent our entire tour. To do this, we're going to click add a photo. And all we're going to do is we are going to go to search for images, and the Google search box is going to come up. So I want to come up with a collage, which is a group of pictures of endangered animals. So I might type in collage of endangered animals. And it'll just give me some examples. I'm not looking for anything specific. I'm just looking for something that has a couple of different animals that are endangered. Whether it be long or it be square, that's up to you. So I'm going to click one that I like. I'm going to select it, and it will now give us our picture in our introduction. Below that, it says tell the story. We're going to skip this for right now because we don't exactly know what the summary of our tour is until we actually pick all 10 of our animals and complete our tour. So we're going to come back to this at the end of the tour, and then we're going to write 1 to 2 sentences. So it's going to be 1 to 2 sentences that will summarize exactly what the tour is, maybe what animals we're going to see, what continents we might visit. But this is going to be done at the end of the tour, so you can leave this blank for now. We scroll down a little bit further, it'll say path color. Right now it's yellow. It's up to you if you want to change your color. This is going to be the line that's going to connect all of our animals on our stop. So I recommend not picking blue or green only because the water is blue and the land is green. You can leave it yellow if you'd like, or you could pick a different color. That's up to you. And once you are done doing this, please go on to the next video where I will show you how to start adding and researching your animals.